Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Lauren. In today's video, I have something exciting to share with you because it is a first for my channel, and that is an Hermes unboxing. So I picked up two items, both of which are under $1,000. And one item is almost impossible to find. It's always sold out, or so I've heard. I've watched quite a few videos on this piece prior to picking it up, and people are always saying how they can't find it, how their essay says it's never in stock, and blah, blah, blah. And I don't know what happened, but I guess the Hermes gods were working with me that day because I got it online. So I am really excited to show you what I picked up. Like I said, these are my first two pieces. And because we were talking about luxury, I am also gonna show you some new pieces that I got from Idyl. So Idyl is a jewelry brand that I've worked with in the past, and they sent me another package. So I was able to choose a couple of items, and I'm really excited. So this is the package here. This is the Idyl pouch that all the pieces come in. I use this in my work bag for my makeup, and it is washable, thank goodness. But what makes Idyl different from other jewelry brands is that it's a modular concept. So essentially you choose a base. So you can either choose a stud or a necklace. I have my petite studs in from last year, and then you choose your add-ons, and then you're able to customize your base with different add-ons. And some of the add-ons for the earrings also work for the necklace, which is amazing because it's just such a good deal. I'm really excited to see the pieces. I haven't opened this up yet, so here we go. What is this? It's a scrunchie. Oh my goodness, that's cute. I wonder if my hair will work with it though, because my hair is so short. I just got a haircut. Let's see. It does. And this is just some information here so you can kind of play around with your studs and see how they would look with different add-ons, which is always nice. And then we have, what is this? I don't know what this is. Unless the jewelry, no, there's a box here with the jewelry. So let's open this up. Oh, I think it's to like a little tray to put your jewelry. That's cute. I like that. This is very my aesthetic too. And then this is what the jewelry comes in. It's like a little book. So let's open this up. And it says, can't wait to see it on you. And these are the pieces, like I mentioned, that I chose out. I brought you over to the window so you can get a true representation of how gorgeous these pieces are. They are beautiful. The diamonds just sparkle. So the diamonds are lab grown, which is more sustainable. It's the real deal, but it's just kinder to the earth. It's kinder to people. Mine diamonds just do so much devastation to the environment. And then the gold is 14 karat, it's solid gold, it is traceable, it only comes from conflict-free areas. Just added the Lucia add-ons. So let's get up close and personal. So that is the stud there. I was saying that I had the petite stud in earlier, but I think they're both the medium stud now that I'm looking at it. And that is it up close. I just think it glabs up an outfit. I dress so casual, so I love the way that these look. And then here is the spark ear cuff. I've never put an ear cuff on before, but it was actually really easy to do. If you are like me and you don't have multiple piercings, like one up there, then I think this is just such a great option. This is so stunning. I am in love with this. And then last but not least, this is the Lena, which is the add-on I chose for my necklace. It is so stunning. It's minimal, but definitely eye-catching. I should also mention, because Idyl uses such high quality materials, they won't discolor, they won't oxidize. You could sleep in it, you can shower in it, you can work out in it. They're just really high quality, like I said, solid gold. So I will link everything down below. Definitely check out their website. They often have sales. They also have like little extras and bonuses like gift with purchases. So I will link everything down below. Thank you so much, Idyl. I'm gonna keep the jewelry on for the unboxing because we are feeling fancy right now. Here it is, my first Hermes unboxing. I'm expecting a lot. I'm hoping that it's like packaged beautifully. I did say this was a gift, because it's a gift to myself. So I'm hoping that they included like all the bells and the whistles. I asked for like a blank gift card. So I'm really excited. Like I said, I ordered this online. I didn't go in stores. I was just perusing the site. I was looking at the Avalon blanket, and I searched up one of the items and it came up, and I bought it. So let's see here. Whew. box. Oh man. I mean, I was hoping, because it's like my first time ordering, I was hoping there would be like the beautiful orange box and the ribbon. And because I asked for it as a gift, and there's 2 items. So that's, well, that's disappointing for me. There's a receipt in this beautiful envelope. I wonder if the gift card's probably in here. Just says your receipt. It's like a fancy receipt. Oh yeah, so that's my receipt. And then the gift. Okay, so there's no card. What? I could have sworn I said gift. I just checked my online order and it does say this is a gift, and there's no blank note card for me to write a message, and it obviously, you saw it, like you can see it now, it did not come in a box with a beautiful ribbon. So a little bit disappointing, honestly, but I do have 2 other pieces that are coming to me. I ordered after. One is a gift for my friend, and then the other one is something else for the home here. And I wonder, I did put gifts, so we'll see if it. So this is the first item that I got, and this is the one I was saying is constantly sold out and fairly hard to find. Just came wrapped in tissue paper like this, and then there's the sticker. Nothing fancy, but let's unwrap this. I haven't looked at this yet. We are excited. This may redeem everything. Okay, it's cute. Okay, I like this. There's a little bit of redemption going on here. So this item, I will write the name here, but I've heard so many people pronounce it Bride-a-Brac, and I mean, albeit my French is limited to grade 12, but I don't think that's how you say it. I think it's gonna be something along the lines of Bride-a-Brac or Bride-a-Brac. I don't know, but I know it's not Bride-a-Brac. So this is it here. This is from the home section actually, and it is meant to be a cosmetic bag. The color of this one itself is orange feu, I believe, and this is the small size. So they have a small as well as a large. So this is really hard to find. When I logged on and I searched this up, I just searched up the name and it showed. I refreshed it right away because I thought maybe there was a mistake, and it still said, you know, add to cart. So I added it, and I quickly added my other item, and I just checked out. And then within, I kid you not, within like 15 minutes later, I went back on the site to check and see if it was there, and it was gone. So I thought that this order might get canceled, or this item might get canceled, but it is here right in front of me. So I think it's so popular because a lot of people were using this as a mini bag. So it is a toiletry bag, but because the shape is very reminiscent of the Bottega Veneta Jody, people are just using this as like a cute little grab and go bag. I have seen so many people style this, and I just think it's so cute. My initial thought process when getting this was like, oh, I'll just probably use it as a cosmetic bag. But now that I have it, it's cute. Like with what I'm wearing right now, because I'm dressed so casual, if you're just going out to run some errands, this is just so cute. I love the bright orange. It's so stunning. I love this orange. And then it has this burgundy kind of handle, the trim there. And then it has the silver buttons, and the buttons say Hermes Paris on it, which is nice. And then it has a little embroidered H. I've seen a beige version of this, and that's also really beautiful, but I feel like I would instantly, like the first time using it, I would get it dirty. So this is a little bit more carefree. It also comes in multiple colors, like black, like your standard kind of classic colors, but I love this orange. I think it's, for me dressing so casual and mostly in neutrals, I think this is beautiful. So let's open this up because I haven't even looked inside. But to open it, there's just a snap closure here. And because this is a cosmetic pouch, I think on the website it was saying that you could also hook it here, because there is another hook there. or clasp there, and then you can just hang it from the door or something like that. But I like that there's a couple of different options. So there's just a zipper here with a leather, like the brown leather tab. The zipper pull says on that part, it says Hermes, so little touches there. It opens up, there's just some stuffing inside, and then that's it. I believe the inside part is, I don't know if it's water resistant or stain resistant. The inside looks really similar. If you can see that pattern, it looks really similar to my Loewe tea pouch, as well as my puzzle bag. It's sort of the same kind of zigzag material. I wonder if it's the same. I'll check after actually. And then the inside has, one side has two little slip pockets, and on the other side there's one fairly large slip pocket. That is the inside of this little pouch here. I think it's cute. I don't know if I'd actually zipper it. If I were to use it, I might just kind of keep it like open like that. I don't think things would really fall out of it. And then you could just carry it as a handbag, and when you need things, you don't need to worry about the zipper, because it might be a little bit cumbersome, but I think just going like this, it opens up pretty easily. So I love this. I think this is so cute. Let me tell you the price of this. So I'm in Canada, and this, like I said, is a small model. This was $600 Canadian. And the fact that you can use it as a bag, I mean, true Hermes lovers out there might think what I'm doing is silly, but I've seen so many people style it as a handbag, and it looks cute. Like, it looks like that little kind of like Bottega pouch. I love the style of it. So I feel like for something that you could use as a handbag from Hermes under $600 Canadian, that's pretty amazing, right? Large size is $640 Canadian. As well, I did also look it up, and the inside is an anti-stain waterproof lining in canvas. So that's good to know that that is waterproof. Let's get on to the second piece now, because I'm pretty happy with that first piece. The second piece is coming undone, but there is the sticker there. This packaging, like, anyway, not that impressed. I already said that. But this piece is also from the Home line right here. And this is called the Neoban. It's not pronounced Neobane. I think it's Ban, which is bath. Canoe H case. I got mine in the medium size. It does come in small and medium and large. And then this is in the color Grenadine. So this is it right here. It's just like a neoprene type of case. This is water repellent, which is why I chose it. This one in particular was a little bit more expensive. So they sell this in multiple different colors as well as multiple different styles. So this was the most expensive. This was $540. Like, comparing these two, like, this is a way better deal. But this was $540. They do have like a regular version, which I'll insert a picture, and that is $335 Canadian. And then they have one called the Waves, which the medium size is $500 Canadian. So this was a little bit more expensive. I think this is like a limited type of edition. This is called the Canoe H case. So, and it says designed by Pierre Marie. But the reason why I got this, so again, there's a little, like, it's matte black and it says Hermes, and there's a little tab there. The inside is just plain Jane. There's just the tag there. The reason why I got this is because my husband kind of let it loose for my birthday that he got me a new iPad. So I have my old iPad here, but I wanted a case for my iPad, and it fits perfectly. So that was my reasoning behind getting this. But I don't know. Like, now looking at it, like, it's pretty. It is pretty, but is it worth $540? I don't think so. Like, again, because I'm comparing these two, and this is $60 more Canadian. So this is water repellent. So when I travel, or if I'm taking this to work, my iPad to work, like, I don't need to worry about things like my iPad getting damaged, because this is I think it's meant for like putting your bathing suit, or when you go to the beach, putting your wet items in here. It's not meant to be an iPad case. There's not a lot of padding at all. Like, it's not going to protect if I drop it. I don't think it will, just sort of protect it from getting wet. So I don't know if I'm going to keep it. It is like the perfect size, as you can kind of see here, for the iPad. I don't know which one this has. I'll list it there somewhere on the screen, but I don't know if I'm going to keep this. Or maybe I'll just go and get the regular one that's $340, because like I don't really care about the design, right? It's cool, it's nice, but I don't think it's worth the money. So anyway, that is the other item that I got. Like I said, I have 2 more things coming to me, so I will show those to you because I think they'd make good gift items. But let me know what you thought about my first ever Hermes unboxing. Let me know what you think about this little cutie right here. Would you pick it up? Would you use it as a bag, or would you just use it as a cosmetic pouch? I'd love to hear your thoughts. And let me know what you think about the packaging too. Like, is it because these items are like fairly affordable that they didn't give me a box? I'd love to know, because I'm kind of disappointed about that. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you again to Idyl for the beautiful jewelry. Go check them out below. I will link everything, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.